Nan, Babo Kabalen, welcome to Warren, Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, babalita lang namin sa inyo na alam nyo ba guys na hindi samji ang number 1 ngayon sa Korea.
Wow, ano yun, Mark?
Yes. So this is Sundae.
Sundae!
Yes.
So kung bago sa pandinig nyo yan guys, we're gonna visit this place. This is MissJin Sundae. And papakita namin sa'yo ano bang sinerve nila. And sabi nga ni Mark, ito daw yung number 1 dish ngayon sa Korea. Guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Nandito tayo ngayon sa MissJin Sundae.
Sundae.
Anyway, so this is a Korean restaurant located dito po sa may Korean town. Ayan, so first time natin nandito. Ito yung number 1 dish nila ngayon sa Korea.
Yes, so they call it Sundae. So like a sausage with a different filling inside.
Yes.
So actually first time din natin titikman yun.
In all honesty,
And
yep.
Let's see kung ano yung mga lasa nila.
I mean, no wonder na currently guys, nandito kami ngayon, ang daming tao ngayon. And most of them, like 90% are Koreans. Dahil nga sa atin sa Pampanga particularly, or even in buong Pilipinas, rather, alam natin na sikat na Korean dish ay yung samgyeopsal. No? Samji, tawag natin samji. But sa Korea daw, ito yung number 1 dish nila.
So, titikman natin at the same time, papakita rin natin kung ano yung mga iba't ibang klase ng sundae available dito sa MissJin Sundae.
Yan, samahan niyo po kami. Alright, so on our table, ito yung mga sunod natin kanina.
Yes.
So, mostly guys, nagbawari lang yung dish natin.
Morning topping.
Morning toppings. So, from classic or simple, up until nadadagdagan siya ng mga ibang ingredients.
Yes. Meron tayong mga lean meat, meron tayong mga sundae, or kung gusto mo naman ng alternative kung classic or spicy. Yan.
So, on our table, yan, siyempre, in-order natin yung
Classic one and spicy.
Spicy. I think we love the spicy.
Yes.
And then, so the way you eat it is actually up to you. Wala naman talaga siyang
Proper behaves.
yung parang traditional, yung parang ganyan. It's always up to you. Okay, so this one, tingnan natin to. Ano yung meron dito, bro?
Actually, this is yung pinagmamalaki nilang sundae.
Sundae, ayan.
So ito yung sundae. So ano meron ba sa loob nito? Kumbaga, at first parang siya nakaka-intimidate kainin.
Medyo exotic.
Yeah, medyo exotic. Pero yung surroundings nito, ito yung parang
Intestine. Ah.
And nakabalot siya ng intestine. Pero yung laman niya sa loob, meron siyang isaw, meron siyang pork stomach, meron din siyang pork jaw, meron siyang heart. Yes. At the same time, meron siyang lean meat. Tapos ang kagandahan naman dito, linuto siya through steam.
So it's less greasy.
Yes.
But of course, syempre, nandun pa rin yung its intestine. Pero yung mga soup natin, guys, hindi siya mabuhay. Okay, so this is how do you eat it?
So dito, lalagyan natin siya ng konting seasoning. Fine dip nila. Then diretso na.
Ganun lang. Alright, let's taste it. There we go.
Wow. Sarap. Ito yung first time natin na kumain ng ganitong klaseng food.
Actually, pagkasubo mo guys, as soon as you bite it, medyo parang pumuputok siya ng iba-ibang lasa. No?
Tapos sabayan mo ng soup. Para daw mas masarap yung kain nyo ng pork meat, lean meat. And sausaw mo na daw dito sa sauce nila. Then add kimchi. Add garlic. Okay. all at once.
Few minutes later, eto yun. Although marami pang natira kasi sobrang dami ng sinunod.
Naubos ko yung spicy
Spicy. I think if you're gonna go here for the first time, you must try that. Kung wala ko ba yung idea on yung order, I think you're gonna try that first.
for the soup.
For the soup.
Or kung gusto naman yung meat lang talaga, go for the Sundae or yung kanilang all lean meat.
Yes. So another place for you to check out, guys. This is the number one. This Korea right now.
This is must try.
Oh, I attest that this is a must try kasi ang daming Korean na pupunta.
Kasi
I really like it.
same time tayo din eh. Like gusto din natin. Kahit first time natin sila tikman. So kung kayo naman yung gusto tumikim nito, they are located lang dito sa may
MissJin Sundae.
located lang sa may Friendship Highway, Barangay Anunas, Angeles City.
Korea. So we're gonna include din yung Google Map just in case you need to locate it by Google.
They are open from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Alright guys, if you like the food you saw in this video and you wanna try, go check out MissJin Sundae. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Meron po panda to your next story. Peace out. Bye guys.